Guys, I doubled the recipe. Altogether, I made 10. I ate the first one, and these are 9. And this is what they look like. Okay? They really look yummy. Alright, so I hope you will like them. Hello there. It's Saturday and there's nothing to do. I got bored, so I thought I'd make bibingka. Like that. Okay, let's move over here. Put that one in there, and then I will cut the excess like this. Okay, so I'll show you after. Okay, like I said, I put one liner here in case this one get ripped and this batter will go through there. It will save it from there. Okay. Okay guys, we're gonna make our bibingka now. So 1 cup rice flour right here. We're gonna put 1 cup of this. Okay. It's too much, so we're gonna take some out. Okay. 1 cup of rice flour. 1/4 cup glutinous rice. This one. That will be this one. 1/2 cup sugar, but I don't like it too much sugar, so we're gonna make it 1/4 and 1/2 of that 1/4. Okay. Okay. 1.5 teaspoon baking powder. This one right here. So we're gonna put 1.5 teaspoon. Okay. 1 teaspoon. And a half. Okay. Now let's mix it all together first. Okay. 1 piece of egg. 1/4 cup melted butter. This is the butter. 1/4 cup. Wow. Need to put a little bit more. Just a little bit. Okay. It says, I can't believe it's butter. All right, then after that butter, we're gonna put coconut milk, 3/4. Okay, 3/4. Now we're going to mix it up. Okay, we're back. Okay, we're gonna brush the leaves with butter like this. Like that. Just brush them with butter. For now, we're gonna make 4. So I'm gonna cook them in my little toaster oven. Do you see the lining? Then I put this here. Okay? Okay. Alright. So let's move this. We have 4. I'm gonna turn on the toaster oven first. To 350. Leave it 350. And now we're gonna start putting the bibingka. Okay. Okay, like this. For now, I put 1/4. We'll add more if we need more. Okay, we need to put a little bit more. Just 2/3. Just 2/3 of the container, okay? You don't want it too much, it's gonna overflow. Now we're gonna put some of this ebumburu that I made. Let's move the camera here. Okay, like that. Then we'll put the cheese later, like this, okay? Okay. I'm just using my little toaster because I'm not making that much. After 10 to 15 minutes, and to find out if they're done, we're gonna poke them with a toothpick, okay? Okay, it's time to check if they're done. Okay, I'm gonna use the toothpick. Come on, don't you see the toothpick? I'm gonna poke it. See the toothpick? Still wet. So we're gonna wait maybe 2 more minutes. Okay? Okay, they are now done. Okay? Let's put them here for now. else we're gonna put the new one here. Okay, gonna put this here. This one here. These are done. So we're gonna brush it with butter. After the butter, we're gonna put cheese. Like this, not too much. I don't like too much cheese on my food. Okay guys, this is the bibingka and let's try it. We can put some of this shaved coconut. Okay, let's see. Take this one from there. See the lining? Okay. Put some coconut on top. Just like that. Not too much. See it? Okay guys, let's try the bibingka while it's hot. Try it like this. Wow, I can see the salty egg still smoking. Okay, I'm gonna bite it and see how it tastes. The best bibingka. I want more. Okay guys, I'm gonna end my video here. I hope you like it and try to make bibingka, especially on this time. Christmas is coming and this is famous in the Philippines. It's a midnight snack. People goes to the midnight simbang gabi, and this is what they eat outside the church. Okay, hope you enjoy watching my video. Thank you.